balls it up a bit, makes it real tight,
and they
slowly work it up towards the surface. The air as a natural barrier.
Oh, they're breathing in.
Yeah.
They'll maintain that slow base. Then what they do is they'll start going through that slow base using their echolocation. Not only can they use their echolocation to locate the bait, but they can also use their echolocation to locate to stun the bait, which makes it easier for them to catch. So a lot of the times we'll see these dolphins swimming upside down with their bellies in the air while they're chasing fish. And the reason why is because their echolocation only works in the water. It does not work up in the air.
Hurry up, boat. Why did the boat?
Baleen whales. What they do is they put one side of the brain to sleep at a time. So let's take, for instance, the right side of the brain was awake, left side was sleeping. Of course, the right side of the brain would be coming up to the surface, exhaling and inhaling, and they could actually feed while they're unemptied while they're sleeping, so they can perform all their bodily functions. While that one side of the brain is sleeping and the side of the brain that's awake is performing them.
Here they come. Look, look. And here's bunches of crabs. Jessica says she loves crabs. They're delicious.
No, they aren't.
And now she's denying it. She says they are not delicious.
They're adorable. I love them.
Oh, adorable. She likes to play with the crabs. Oh, here they are. Here they are. See, this is the bow riding.
Dolphin!
We got an extremely large pot of common dolphins here.
This is amazing. They're so big.
Whoa!
That guy was like, whoa!
Anyway, these are common dolphins.
No, they can keep. They can go faster than us.
Biologists estimate that there are anywhere from 250,000 to 270,000 dolphins.
You see the one right next to the boat here?
Yeah. Ooh, that one did a tricky for us.
Yeah.
Let's see it. Do some more trickies. That was jumped so.
Oh, look, they're way ahead of us.
Now these common dolphin, they are in the tooth-whale family, which means they have a single wall echolocation and of course teeth. I know they're small, but they're still a cetacean. Now, their echolocation is like a very advanced sonar. That's where they send out sound waves from the melon, which is located on their forehead, and pick them back up in the lower jaw. There's an antibula there that runs along the lower jawbone, extending up in each tooth.
Ooh, he's doing all of his poses.
Yeah. Hello, Mr. Pelican.